Good morning, guys. Eid Mubarak. I'm probably going to be whispering a little bit in the intro because my family is still pretty much asleep. It is only 6:45 a.m. in the morning. I knew I wanted to film a get ready with me, so I woke up a little bit earlier than everyone else. Also, we're not planning to go pray at the masjid, so we're just taking advantage and sleeping in. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna do a get ready with me. We're really not doing anything at all today. We're having a dinner with my cousins and my sister's in-laws later tonight, but that's not till 8 o'clock. This morning, my cousin and my sister are just gonna come over and we're just gonna take some photos. We're gonna like chill, do a brunch together here at my house, and that's pretty much it. So starting off, I already showered and I also already did my exfoliating daily peel pads. These are amazing. If you guys haven't checked these out, definitely check them out. They're super gentle, but they're also very, very effective. I only use this once every 2 weeks maybe, or per occasion. So like on Eid, or if I'm going to a wedding or something special like that, because I have really sensitive skin. But if you don't have sensitive skin, you can use this on a daily basis because it's meant to be for daily usage. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and show you guys what it looks like. I didn't think to do this on my vlog camera. I did it for my stories, so maybe I can put a clip of that over here. But basically, it's a two-step process. First step is exfoliate and smooth. So they come out like little wet towelettes, and you just kind of like spread it all over your face for a minute, and then you wait 2 minutes and you follow it up with a neutralizer, and the neutralizer just kind of soothes out your skin. I will say this does sting because it has AHA and BHAs in it, so if you have sensitive skin, definitely do a test patch maybe on like the side of your forehead or like near your neck. So I already went in and did this, and now I feel like I have a smooth canvas to work on. So what I'm going to do next actually is some facial massaging. So this is so trendy right now. Everyone, especially on TikTok, is like raving about facial massages. This in particular is called gua sha or something like that. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, and I also don't have the best tools. There are so many better tools than this. I actually bought these off of Amazon like 4 years ago. I had seen a YouTuber do it and I was like, okay, I'll test it out. And then I just never opened the package. And the last like maybe 8 months, I've seen so many people rave about gua sha on TikTok. So I pulled these out and I've been using it, and I don't know if it makes a difference. It just feels amazing, and I do see a reduction in puffiness, especially early in the morning. Like right now, I look so puffy. My nose looks like really swollen. So I like to use this and just like depuff and drain basically everything. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this. Don't come at me. I don't know if I'm doing this right or wrong. It's just what I'm doing right now. I know you're supposed to go in upward movement. So what I like to do is like start from here and I go all the way up. And then this one is supposed to be for your jaw. So then I go like that. So I'm going to show you guys this. Also, you want to have some sort of moisturizer on or some sort of oil, so this like glides on so you're not tugging at your skin. So I already have a moisturizer on as well. And do that. So I'm going to do this on camera, but I'm going to just speed it up. Okay, I'm done with one side of my face. I don't know if you can see a difference, but I feel like I can see a difference. I feel like this side is still puffy, and then this side is a little bit more sculpted. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm going to do this side, and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, I'm done with both sides of my face. I don't know if it really works, it just felt amazing. So that is pretty much it for my skin prep. Now I'm ready for makeup. And I don't know, I think I'm going to speed this through because I feel like I've already showed you guys my makeup so many times. But if you guys are interested, I'll put a link of all of the makeup that I use on a daily basis. I'm also just going for a really light natural makeup look, since again, we're really not doing anything. I'm just going to go take photos. So starting off with my foundation, and I'm going to just put this all over my face. So this is the finished look. I went super natural and just went with like a darker lip. I also have a bunch of mascara on my eyelid, which I will remove once I go into the bathroom. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the completed look. I went a little darker on the eyes, did a whole wing, and then just some bold lips. So that is pretty much it. I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing now. I actually have 2 outfits. I know it sounds so extra, but since I'm off today, I wanted to take pictures in one of them, and then the other one I plan to wear out for brunch and then also for dinner because it's just more easy. The Pakistani Desi outfit is just like really flowy. It has a bunch of tassels everywhere and I don't really want it to get dirty, so I'm gonna wear it, pray, and take some photos and then take it off, and then I'm gonna put on a maxi dress. It's actually the H&M printed floral maxi dress that everyone is going crazy over. I wasn't planning on buying anything, so I wanted to just use what I had at home, so that's the dress I have. So yeah, I'll show you guys both of the outfits now. So here are both of my dresses for today. This is the Pakistani one that I was talking about. The designer is Amara Khan. There you go. It is so beautiful. It has so many intricate detailings on it. It's made with like this beautiful lace border, and then it also has like this beautiful fabric, and then it has these gorgeous tassels at the bottom. This dress is just phenomenal. It's so beautiful. I also really love how it's like a kimono style, so I feel like it looks really good on like tall, lanky bodies. I feel like I don't have much shape, and I just love the way this fits on me. So this is actually from a previous season, so I didn't buy this for Eid. I had it already in my closet. It's actually my little sister's, so she just let me wear it because yeah, she wasn't planning on wearing it. And here are the sleeves. I think the sleeves are also so beautiful. This entire dress is just so gorgeous. So I'll put some pictures of this here on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like. And then the second dress I have is this H&M floral dress that you guys have probably seen a couple times. I just love this as well. I think the print is so gorgeous. I love that it's a really lightweight, airy, flowy material. And yeah, it's just like a loose, long maxi dress. So I think both of these are beautiful. I'll link this H&M dress because I think it's still in stock. And then this is probably not in stock anymore, but I'll link the designer's website down below. So I'm going to get dressed and show you guys what it looks like on. I'm dressed in outfit number 1. So this is what the Pakistani dress looks like on. It's so beautiful. I just really love the silhouette and like the cut of this dress. It is a kimono style and it has like really long slits that go all the way to the top, but it also has like this pair of pants and this long tank top that comes with it that you wear underneath, so it's not like it's showing any skin. And I just really love the cut and the flow of this dress. I think it's so beautiful. And I also really love the tassels. So like I said, this is from a previous collection, but all of Amara Khan's outfits are just so beautiful. So I will link her website down below. The sleeves are see-through and the neck kind of is like open. So I do have a long sleeve top paired underneath with a blush hijab from Hot Hijab. And I also put on some earrings for extra bedazzle because why not? It is Eid. So this is my first outfit. We're about to go downstairs and pray, and then I'm about to take some photos. When I get back home and I change into my H&M dress, I will show you guys what that one looks like. I'm back home now and I changed into my second outfit. I barely got any footage while we were taking photos because it was so extremely hot. We were literally just trying to get the whole shoot done. So I'm home now and I feel so much better because this is so much more airy and it's breathable and I can walk around. The other outfit was just too heavy, so I have on this H&M dress. I paired it with a white belt around my waist just to give my body more shape, and then I paired my Valentino and the same nude heels. So I'll link this down below if you guys are interested. Hi guys, say hello to my vlog.
Hey.
Sana, you want to say hi?
Hi. Guess where we're going? Nowhere.
We literally wasted the entire morning getting ready for no reason. Like we just took hours and hours trying to get ready. You took like 4 hours to do your hair. But we woke up really early. I woke up at 6:45. I went to the grocery store. I ran some errands. I came home, got dressed, and then she finally got up at like noon. She slept over. Too bad. It's on the vlog. Okay, so where are we going for dinner tonight? We're going out to eat with my family, her family, and my sisters-in-law.
We made like 4 reservations, canceled like half of them.
Because like we decided last night as a family we're gonna go to this restaurant, and then my dad and my brother this morning throw an entire fit in
Per usual.
They do this every single time, and they like went off about how they hate this restaurant and it's like not worth it, blah blah blah. So we last minute called a different place, and thankfully they have reservation for 20 people. So they took us in.
What's the place?
Michaelachi.
Oh.
I'd say like a Pakistani restaurant. Originally we were going to a Mediterranean restaurant. So yeah, we ended up having to call my sisters-in-laws and tell them as well. I'm sure everyone is annoyed of us. And then we called the original restaurant and canceled a reservation for 20 people, which is a big party. They were really sweet about it, but yeah, my dad and my brother do this all the time. So we haven't ate anything at all because we're literally starving ourselves until 8 p.m. Right now we're going to get dessert, so we'll see you guys there. We made it to our favorite cookie place. I feel like every single time I vlog and show you guys that we're going out for dessert, it is always the spot, but it is seriously that good. If you guys come to Houston, you have to try out Milk and Cookies. Their cookies are just phenomenal. And then they also have vegan ice cream. And there goes my little sister buying for all of us because we didn't want to put a mask on. Wow, that looks so good. Oh my god.
Wait, no, let me
let me take it off. I'll take it off slowly.
No, let me do it.
I want to try yours.
No!
Mmm.
You got mine's in a cup, right?
Yeah, yes, both of y'all are in a cup. And there's covers on there, so y'all, whenever y'all are ready.
Wow. I was saying...
That's mine.
I was saying we should have went and dined in at the restaurant.
Yeah, we should have.
Oh, my.
So we can sit there.
Eid
Say hi.
Mubarak.
Baba, say hi. Okay, guys, say hi. We are here for dinner. We literally drove the lady up a wall. Took 30 minutes to order. I'm parched now. Me too.